Today I'm making a delicious recipe with baked asparagus. I went to the supermarket and I saw the asparagus that had a great price on it, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna bring them home and I'm gonna make them. It's so simple, so delicious, and so healthy for you. What I did, I opened the bag, I took the asparagus, I put them on a tray, I gave them a nice wash, and I removed 1/3 of the bottom of the asparagus. Then what I did, I took 6 tablespoons of olive oil and I put it right on the top, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and I sprinkled some salt. I preheated the oven to 400. In 12 minutes, you had the perfect asparagus. When you go in a restaurant, you get 8 asparagus and you pay $12 and they put this fancy sauce on it. I love just picking up the asparagus and just eating them. This recipe is gonna make you feel good, look good, and have great energy. Subscribe, like, and share.